Said, who's that girl there? I wonder what went wrong so that she had to roam the streets. She doesn't do major credit cards, I doubt she does receipts. It's all not quite legitimate. And what a scummy man. Just give him half a chance, I bet he'll rob you if he can. Can see it in his eyes, yeah, that he's got a driving ban amongst some other offences. And I've seen him with girls of the night, and he told Roxanne to put on her red light. They're all infected, but he'll be alright, 'cause he's a scumbag, don't you know? I said he's a scumbag, don't you know? Avert your eyes and staring at the ground. She makes a subtle proposition. I'm sorry, love, I'll have to turn you down. I know he must be up to something. What are the chances? Sure, it's more than likely. I've got a feeling in my stomach. I start to wonder what his story might be. What his story might be. Yeah, they said it changes when the sun goes down. Yeah, they said it changes when the sun goes down. Yeah, they said it changes when the sun goes down. Chance, I bet he'll rob you if he can. See it in his eyes, yeah, that he's